Okay. The next topic is partial derivatives. So mainly partial derivative అంటే ఏముంటుందంటే యూజ్ ఏ ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అండ్ వై, రెండు ఇండిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్స్ ఉంటాయి. టూ ఇండిపెండెంట్ variables. So the partial derivative can be denoted by partial derivative denoted by dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. So this u is a dependent variable. U is a dependent and xy is a independent variable. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు మెయిన్గా ఏముందంటే ద పార్షియల్ డెరివేటివ్ u అనేది దేని మీద డిపెండ్ అయిందంటే x మీద డిపెండ్ అయింది, y మీద డిపెండ్ అయింది. కాబట్టి మనం డో u బై డో ఎక్స్ కనుక్కుంటాము, డో u బై డో y కనుక్కుంటాము. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్? దట్ ఈజ్ డో యూ బై డో ఎక్స్ అంటే అర్థం ఏమి? డో యూ బై డో ఎక్స్, దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సేమ్ యాజ్ ఎ du బై dx, and here it can be taken as the remaining term. Here we differentiate with respect to x. The remaining term y is taken as a constant. That is next dou u by dou y, nothing but du by dy, and this is nothing but we differentiate with respect to y. ఇక్కడ రిమైనింగ్ టర్మ్ ఏమవుతుందంటే x will be taken as a constant. The x is taken as a constant. Same ఆర్డినరీ నార్మల్ డెరివేటివ్ అంటే ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే ఆర్డినరీ డెరివేటివ్ u is depending on u of x. ఒక ఇండిపెండెంట్ వేరియబుల్ మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ a dependent. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆర్డినరీ, ఇది డిపెండెంట్. So we do that du by dx. The derivative can be written as du by dx. Idi. So the partial nothing but dou u by dou x. This is nothing but the same as the du by dx. And here it taken that the remaining term will be taken as a constant. What is the remaining term here? Y. Dou u by dou y, nothing but du by dy. The x will be taken as a constant. We take that example. One example is the first one is if u equal to x cubed plus 3xy plus y cube. So in that case find dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou square u by dou x square, and dou square u by dou y square. This is the first one. And second one is dou square u by dou x dou y is prove that dou square u by dou y dou x. ఇది మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. The solution is So given that u equal to x cubed plus 3xy plus y cube. So first dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x is nothing but du by dx, and here it can be taken as will be taken as a constant. The y will be taken as a constant. So ఏమి ఇక్కడ మన కాన్స్టెంట్ అంటే, so this is nothing but dou by dou x of x cubed plus 3xy y cube dou u by dou x, nothing but dou by dou x of x cubed, 3y will be taken as a constant, dou x by dou x, and dou by dou x of y cubed is a constant taken as here 1. That is, get that x cubed, what is the differentiation? Normal differentiation, 3x square 3y into 1 plus differentiation of a constant, the value equal to 0. So we get that 3x square plus 3y, 3x square plus 3y. And next dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y is nothing but du by dy, and here will be taken as the remaining term. What is the remaining term? The remaining term x will be taken as a constant, remaining term x will be taken as a constant, that is nothing but dou by dou y of, and this can be taken as, this can be denoted as ux. Dou u by dou x ఎలా అంటే ux అని రాయొచ్చు, uy, nothing but dou by dou y of, what is that, x cubed plus 3xy plus y cube. So dou by dou y of x cubed constant taken as constant కాబట్టి పక్కన పెట్టేస్తాం, plus 3x into dou y by dou y plus dou by dou y of y cube. X cube, that's value equal to differentiation of 1 0, 3x into 1 plus y cubed differentiation ఏమొస్తుంది అంటే మనకు 3y square. So we get that 3x plus 3y square, 3x plus 3y square. So ux equal to 3x square plus 3y, uy equal to 3x plus 3y square. And next dou square u by dou x square, dou square u by dou x square. This is nothing but a second derivative. This is dou by dou x of dou u by dou x. So it is nothing but dou by dou x of dou u by dou x. What is the dou u by dou x? It is we find that this is 3x square plus 3y. So we get the 3 into dou by dou x of x square plus 3y, y is a constant, so we get that dou by dou x of 1. So we get 3 into, for x square it is 2x, it is the differentiation is differentiation of 1, the value equal to 0, so we get that 6x. This can be dou square by dou x square can be written as uxx. And next dou square u by dou y square, nothing but, that is the fourth one, dou by dou y of dou u by dou y, dou u by dou y. So this is nothing but dou by dou y of dou u by dou y. What is the dou u by dou y? Dou u by dou y equal to 3x plus 3y square. 3x plus 3y square. So we do differentiation with respect to y. The x will be taken as a constant, that is 3x into dou by dou y of constant 1 plus 3 into dou by dou y of y square. The value equal to 3x into 0 plus 3 into 2y. So we get that 6y. Okay, and this is a part 1. Next we prove that, for second one, what we prove that dou square u by dou x dou y is equal to dou square u by dou y dou x. Prove that. So we written as dou square u by dou x dou y. This is nothing but dou by dou x of dou u by dou y. So we get that dou by dou x of dou u by dou y. What is the value of dou u by dou y? That is 3x plus 3y square. So we get that, what is the value? The value equal to, for this one, we get that 3 into dou x by dou x plus 3y square into dou by dou x of 1. So it is 3 into 1 plus 0, we get a 3. So the value equal to 3. And next, dou square u by dou y square, that is next dou square u by dou y dou x. This is nothing but dou y dou y of dou u by dou x. So we get that dou by dou y of dou u by dou x. This is nothing but 3x square plus 3y. This is dou by dou y of 3x square will be taken as a constant into 1 plus 3 into dou y by dou y. For constant, the value equal to 0, that is 3 into 1, we get a 3. So finally we observe that dou square u by dou x dou y is equal to dou square u by dou y dou x. It is always true. It is always true. Okay. Next question is, u equal to, second one, if u equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. a, b, c, g, f, h are constants. Find dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou square u by dou x square and dou square u by dou y square. That is u equal to, given that u equal to ax square plus 2hxy by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Dou u by dou x, this is nothing but du by dx, and here that with respect to x చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి y టర్మ్ ఏమవుతుందంటే కాన్స్టెంట్ అవుతుంది. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ we get that dou by dou x of ax square plus 2hxy by square 2gx plus 2fy plus c. So with respect to x కాబట్టి this is nothing but a into dou by dou x of x square 2hy x into y, x ఉంది ఇక్కడ, dou x by dou x, ఇది కాన్స్టెంట్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఎక్స్ చేయాలి కానీ మనం ఏముంది y ఉంది ఇక్కడ కాబట్టి ఇట్ విల్ బి టేకన్ యాజ్ ఏ కాన్స్టెంట్, బయటికి తీస్తాం. 2g into dou x by dou x plus 2fy into dou x by dou x plus c dou x by dou x of c. So we get that a into 2x plus 2hy into 1, this value equal to 0, this is 2g into 1, this is 0 plus 0. So finally we get that dou u by dou x, this is nothing but 2ax plus 2hy plus 2g. So what is the value? That is u of x equal to 2ax plus 2hy plus 2g. And next u equal to, what is that u? Dou u by dou y. The second one is dou u by dou y, that is dou by dou y of u ax square 2hy plus by square 2gx plus 2fy plus c. This is nothing but d by dy of du by dy, x will be taken as a constant. So ఏమొస్తుంది, ఇది కాన్స్టెంట్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు y, ఇది అన్నాం కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఇస్ ద వాల్యూ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. దిస్ ఈజ్ 2hx ఇంటూ dou y by dou y plus b into oy square by dou y, constant, this is the value equal to 0, 2fy into dou y by dou y, for constant the value equal to 0. So we get that 2hx into 1 plus 2by plus 2f into 1. So we get that dou u by dou y equal to 2hx plus 2by plus 2f. Okay, and next third one is dou square u by dou x square. This is nothing but dou by dou x of dou u by dou x. So we get that dou by dou x of dou u by dou x, it is 2ax plus 2hy plus 2g. విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ఎక్స్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి 2a ఇంటూ డో ఎక్స్ బై డో ఎక్స్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ ఎక్స్ చేస్తున్నాం కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏముంది వై ఉంది ఎక్స్ టర్మ్ లేదు కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ కాన్స్టెంట్ and this is also constant, so it is 2a into 1 plus 0 plus 0, so finally we get that 2a. And next fourth one is dou square u by dou y square, nothing but dou by dou y of dou u by dou y. This is nothing but dou y of dou u by dou y. What is the value of dou u by dou y? 2hx plus 2by plus 2f. So we get that 2hx is a constant, dou u by dou y into 1 plus 2b into dou y by dou y plus 2f into dou by dou y of 1 constant. So therefore we get that 2hx 0 plus 2b into 1 plus 0. So ఏమొస్తుంది మనకు the value equal to 2b. For second one ఇదే క్వశ్చన్కి ఏం చేస్తామంటే we prove that dou square u by dou x dou y is equal to dou square u by dou y dou x. So first dou square u by dou x dou y, this can be written as dou by dou x of dou u by dou y, dou by dou x of dou u by dou y, 2hx 2by plus 2f. So this is the same as with respect to x చేస్తున్నాము. ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుందంటే 2x into dou x by dou x, ఈ టర్మ్లో x టర్మ్ లేదు కాబట్టి ఇది కాన్స్టెంట్ అవుతుంది. 2by into dou by dou x of 1, 2f into dou by dou x of 1. So therefore this value equal to 2h into 1 plus 0 plus 0. The value equal to 2h. This is dou square u by dou x dou y. And next second one RHS. This is LHS. RHS dou square u by dou y dou x, nothing but dou by dou y of dou u by dou y, dou u by dou x. This is dou by dou y of dou u by dou x, 2ax plus 2hy plus 2g. సో విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు వై చేస్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడ ఏముందంటే వై టర్మ్ లేదు కాబట్టి ఇదంతా ఏమవుతుందంటే కాన్స్టెంట్ అవుతుంది. బయటికి తీస్తాం. ఇక్కడ వై ఉంది, 2g into dou y dou y of 1. So this is nothing but 0 plus 2h into 1 plus 0. So finally we get that 2h. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు మనకేమొస్తుంది అంటే dou square u by dou x dou y is equal to dou square u by dou y dou x. The value equal to 2h. The value equal to 2h.